Well, multiple developments coming to fore related to the investigation in Delhi blast. Umar's aide is now in NI custody. Jasir was presented in court earlier. The court has now granted 10-day custody to the NI. Let's go across to Bhavtosh, who's getting us more details. Bhavtosh, this interrogation could be very, very crucial to the entire investigation. Co-conspirator of Umarun Nabi now in a 10-day NI custody.
Yes, in fact, he was produced here at Patiala House Court. The hearing lasted for nearly 1.5 hours, and it was in-camera hearings. Amidst very tight security, he was produced, and the NIA, in fact, informed the court, according to sources, of what role he played. Now, what sources have told us is that NIA described him as a drone expert, that Omar and other accused in this case, Muzammil as well as Adil, contacted him because they knew he knows how to modify drones and how to fit the improvised explosive devices into them and then recreate what had been carried out by Hamas on 7th October 2023. There were a series of drones had to be launched, which was preceded, or at least it had to happen before the car bomb attack was to be carried out. Swati, remember the statement that was issued by NIA yesterday. They had to use the word terror carnage, and they have also said the whole idea was to carry out a precision strike so that fear is instilled in the mind of public, and also to make sure that people are completely are in fear. Now, those are the words that have been used by the Anti-Terror Federal Probe Agency. They have arrested two, but it is a role of Jasir that have been explained in a lot of detail, and it's something which is very shocking, the manner in which this terror module wanted to carry out attack, something that they wanted to replicate what had been done by Hamas. He was produced in the court, and now NIA has got 10 days of his custody.
Right, Bhavtosh, now, we know that Umarun Nabi is a suicide bomber in the Delhi blast case. We've also heard what he thinks about suicide bombing in the video that has come to fore. Now, the concern is, who all was he in touch with in terms of radicalization, in terms of recruitment? Did he pass on this to other individuals? Have they been influenced by his thoughts? That remains a bigger worry.
Swati, what is now very clear is that there was a module of main accused as far as the NIA or other federal probe agency is concerned. One of them is Omar, and who in fact blew himself outside the Red Fort. The other one is Dr. Shaheen, who has been arrested, and the photograph that we had aired earlier in the day, where Shaheen in fact is buying the car along with Dr. Muzammil. Both of them have been arrested under anti-terror law charges. The third one is Adil, who has also been arrested. All of them were arrested before the Delhi car blast, and the other accused who have been arrested in this case have played a peripheral role. But they all knew that there would be a big attack in Delhi. Initially, they had said that they knew there would be a terror attack case, but they did not know that the attack will be taking place right outside the Red Fort attack. What we have gathered after speaking to multiple people in security establishment is the fact that it was Omar who was completely radicalized. He wanted to carry out an attack which would be a spectacular one. The code word that they had used was a D6 attack, in which 6 cities would have been had been targeted or selected, and it was to coincide, or it was to avenge the demolition of Babri Masjid. And the main accused in this case had also gone in 2022 to Turkey and other foreign countries, and in fact had taken instructions from their foreign handlers. And other parts of this case is still being unraveled as far as finances are concerned. Some of them had received money from Hawala, and Shaheen also in fact had provided a lot of finances as far as this case is concerned.
In fact, that financial transaction is also under the lens of the Enforcement Directorate now. Bhavtosh, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Let's break down the details of the video.